Alrighty. A lot of people are struggling with this problem, and I feel confident that most that have asked understand the mathematical concepts, but maybe you're just struggling a little bit with this WaMap tool. So let me go over how you would do this. First of all, f of x equals the constant function -1 for all values of x less than or equal to -1. So we know that this is going to go to the left infinitely, so I'm going to use this ray tool right here. And I'm going to find f of x equal to -1. So where are the y values -1? I'm going to start at an x value of -1 and specify all x for all x values less than or equal to -1, y is equal to -1. I'm going to do something similar here. We know that f of x equals the constant function 3 whenever x is greater than 2. So again, I'm going to use the ray because we're off infinitely to the right. And I'm going to go up here and find f of x equal to 3, which is right here. But I'm only talking about the domain of x greater than 2. So I draw a line infinitely in that direction. So far, so good. The middle, you notice, is a linear function. And I see that the y-intercept is 1 and the slope is 2. But I'm restricted between -1 and +2, so I need to use the line segment tool. I know that I'm going to cross through 1, 0, 1, that's the y-intercept, and then I'm going to go up 2 over 1, or you can look at it as down 2, back 1. Either way you look at it, we know it's going to cross through this point, and so what I need to do is just continue. Try to continue that. We notice it's up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, and end it right here at 2 because the domain is restricted between -1 and 2. So -1 and 2. Okay, the other thing I want to notice is this little note down here at the bottom says, be sure to include closed or open dots, but only at breaks in the graph. So one mistake people are making is they're putting a little dot right here, but it says only where there's a break, and this is where I see a break. So I'm going to start with the closed circle. It looks like 2 is included on this linear function here, 2x plus 1. So I'm going to go ahead and put my closed dot there. My closed circle. My open circle belongs here where it says x is only greater than 2. When x is greater than 2, f of x equals 3. So that's right here. Alrighty, so what my graph is doing is it's going there and then up, and then it jumps or breaks down to here and then to the right. Notice that there's nothing here, the line's just connected. All right, this should be the answer, and when I peek at the solution, it certainly is. I hope that helped. I really do believe that you understand these problems, but sometimes WebAssign is a little weird. Okay. Thank you, and see you later.